Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs, and I'm back today to show you another stitch tutorial. And in today's tutorial, we're going to crochet this really fun pattern. It's only a 1-row repeat, which is great. And it has almost like a geometric feel to it with these squares and the lines, which can be vertical or horizontal depending on which way you're looking at it. This is the front. This is the back. And this is what it would look like if it was laying on its side. Very cool. If you did a rectangular wrap and this was the pattern across your back, it'd be very pretty. Anyway, there's no limit to what you can do with any of these stitch patterns I'm showing you. And you can make them into anything that you want just by using a multiple of 8 chains plus 4. So for today's tutorial, we're going to use Baby Bee Sweet Delight in Sunkisses, and that is a size 3 lightweight yarn. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and a 5mm, it's an H8 crochet hook. And if you'd like to see the written instructions for any of these patterns that I've been showing you, they'll be in the description box below. If you need to speed up or slow down a video, the instructions for that are also in the description box below. And I think that's it, so let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, so like I said, this is a 1-row repeat, so hopefully this video won't be too long, and you need a multiple of 8 plus 4. So for this small sample example, we're going to do a chain of 28 just to show you how the stitches are done. Alright, to begin row 1, we need to work in the 6th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in that stitch, or in that chain, we're going to work 3 double crochets, all in the same chain. Now we chain 2, skip 2 chains, and work 3 double crochets in the next chain. Here's where we begin our repeat for the row. Skip 4 chains, work 3 double crochets in the next chain, chain 2, skip 2 chains, 3 double crochets in the next chain. And this is what we're repeating right here. 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets with 4 chains in between. So there'll be sections. Skip 4 chains, 3 double crochets in the next chain, chain 2, skip 2 chains, 3 double crochets in the next chain, And for this last part, you're going to skip 2 chains and just work a double crochet in the last chain. That's row 1. Let's start row 2. Row 2, you chain 3, counts as a double crochet. We're going to skip this first stitch, skip these 2 stitches, and work into this 3rd stitch here. 3 double crochets in this 3rd stitch. Now all these chain 2s will be lined up on top of each other, so that's how we know we're going to chain 2 again. And then our next 3 double crochets are going to go in this first stitch. So all your stitches will be based around the chain 2. Stitches here, chain 2, stitches here. So 3 double crochets in this first stitch. We're going to skip the next 4 stitches, just work around this chain 2 space, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Chain 2, 3 more double crochets in the next stitch. We'll start to create our squares stacked. So skip the next 4 stitches, 3 double crochets in the next stitch. Chain 2, 3 double crochets in the next stitch. And for this last stitch, you'll skip these 2 stitches and work a double crochet in the top of this turning chain. Oops, that's a single crochet. And that is row 2. That is the entire pattern. All you have to do is repeat row 2 as many times as you need to get the desired length of your project. Keep your stitches around the chain 2 area so nothing goes here, so that your squares keep lining up and it creates those beautiful stripes. And when you're finished, you'll have this really, really cool stitch pattern. So thank you so much for watching my super short stitch tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you have any ideas on what you could make with this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.